Okay. Importance of foot pivoting when you dance, especially in Latin American dances. So lift your heels up and just do this exercise. Feel like there is a baby oil between your feet and the floor. Right, very good. So it looks like this, heels up. You see your feet can pivot on the floor. If you really press very strong, there is more resistance. If you don't press too much, it's going to be less. So you can pivot your feet. So now try already as you close your feet, as you're doing Cuban motion in place, already introduce a little bit degree of pivoting even here. So what is Cuban motion first? It's our shoulder connecting to the hip, and here we'll use that leg and foot to slightly pivot. So our foot, you see, slightly moved, slightly. And then you can go here again, 2, 30, and forward, and 2, 30, and forward. So you see already we have a little bit sense here, rather than on 2 flat feet, we're just doing this. It's not as much movement, not as much beautiful leg lines. Now let's go with the time step, and you see how it's improved leg line. You go 2, 3, and now for example, if you want to go side, already early here, already start pivoting this foot. So in this case, when you're finishing your weight, you have much more beautiful leg line. Now when we collect, pay attention to this leg. It's going to pivot as well as you collect. 2, 3, and now here. Feel this foot. Already there is a slight pivot before even you taken off to the side. So when you finish, you have already beautiful leg line. Forward. And 2, 3, and forward. And 2, 3, and of course, like we always teach, we want to use our body action, our hip, our chest, but the foot pivoting underneath is very, very helpful to create beautiful lines, to create beautiful position where we can complete our body weight. Now let's take a look at just regular, let's say if we're doing cha-cha walk, rumba walk. So if we stay in this position, okay, we can have split position, then we're completing our step with the finishing motion, hip forward. Now here we collect the foot. Now right before when we settle and step, look at my foot. My foot already have a slight pivoting action. You don't want to over pivot too much, of course, it's a slight pivoting action. So when you dance in the faster music, you will always have a beautiful finishing position. Again, you don't want to overdo it, but you definitely don't want to step here and only start doing it after. So it happens slightly earlier. So foot pivoting. And 2, and 30, and cha, 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 for example. So foot pivoting is very, very important. Foot pivoting.